Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today here I'm going to share with you one of my main shopping for the household, which I'm doing once a month. I want to show you where I'm going, how I'm buying my things, and where is the best place that I always go to do my shopping in UK. So if you're living in UK or US, I think you can do the same because it's so economic. You spend less money and you get best stuff in wholesale price. So let's get going, and on the way I'm going to share some information about this store. Okay guys, now we are on our way to go to Costco. Here is the name. You might hear about this store. It's a very big store and you get much cheaper items in wholesale prices, and you do not pay any VAT on most of the edible items there. So you should be a member of this place in order to be able to shop in there. So it has a lot of different kinds of memberships. So you have to go to their website and choose your favorite membership, the one that suits you. And there are some kind of memberships that if you do, and if you be a member of that kind of membership, you can get 10% cash back annually on most of your shopping. So that's great. And it has a lot of branches across the UK and I believe in US, so you can conveniently go to your nearest branch and do your shopping. Also, you can order some stuff online, which they can deliver it conveniently at your door. Okay guys, we are in the middle of the way and I just stopped in a petrol station so that I can get a drink because today is very hot, so I feel like I want something really cool. I might consider to get a coffee on the way back, but now it's so hot I really need something really cold.
It seems like we've been here before. Since 17 it's been par for the course. Oh, 'cause it's a Thursday and I forgive you, but I got empty cups filling up my bedroom, and I keep thinking this all could end soon, as if the world's ever on time. You tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end. What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low.
Okay, now I want to show you, for example, this big pan from Tefal, which is very good quality and it's a big one, and I needed one. So you can see the price of this pan here, which is really great, and I'm gonna get one. And also I needed one big pot. I didn't have it. This pot is really amazing. It's really high quality and nice, and the price is really great here. So I'm gonna get one of these too. One more.
Two.
اینو بردار. اونو بردار. 1 2. It's from here, from here.
This egg here?
Huh?
This one here?
This, you take one of this. دوتا.
Two.
No, one only.
And I keep thinking this all could end soon, as if the world's ever on time. You tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay, going off the deep end. What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. The state of it all.
Okay guys, I did the shopping and I'm so tired. It was a long way drive back home. I hope you liked this video and you got inspired. So until the next vlogs, take care.